I mean,
it's a hidden option.
This is just a normal E90 BMW. You would never expect anything of it. There's nothing to expect of it. It's just a 335D with a factory option, as they put it. Let's take a look. Oh my word.
How clean is it, Tim?
Very nice, my dude. That's one horn of 4, but...
Oh, that was a little bit too far.
Doing some wiring. Let's see. All right, now we have it all lined up in here. Just about ready to button up. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god. Like I said, that's only one horn of 4 that we still gotta put in. But this is absolutely ridiculous. Oh my gosh. There's been so many hours put into this.
I'm gonna need the wettest suck after this.
I'm like 1% worried it's just gonna kill. Any error codes up there? Not any new ones.
Not that I see.
Alright, let's see how much of my life gets lost looking up here. Oh yeah, there's the horns. Holy moly. There's all the horns. I just lost 10 years of my life. Alright.
I don't know if we can do that.
That's the compressor going. One step closer again. Oh my gosh. That's incredible, dude.
I can just leave it on right now until it turns off. Listen for leaks underneath there.
Honestly, I'm not hearing any. Nothing obvious. But it's also really loud, so any leaks would probably be underpowered.
Test honk, and then we'll shut it off.
Yeah, just for temporary, we have this because we were having some issues over here. But just for the meantime, we have this as a switch to run the compressor, and then we have a switch inside here, which is actually, I'm not going to press it right now because it's 11.
It's a secret switch, Tim. It's a secret.
It's a secret switch. Somewhere in here. It's really not obvious. Just in case we get into some sort of trouble.
It's a factory option.
Then it's an option. I mean,
it's a hidden option.
This is just a normal E90 BMW. You would never expect anything of it. There's nothing to expect of it. It's just a 335D with a factory option, as they put it. This is insanity. Yeah, it's a little bit botched up right now. It's just temporary just to get it running and just making sure everything, for the most part of the general structure, works. But yeah, have everything going. That's just a temporary switch, as I've already said. There will be a permanent one in there. But we've been working at this since, what, I think 1. And it's 11, or yeah, basically 11 p.m. now. So it's been a long time at it. We just want to see this thing going.
Okay.
Seatbelts on.
We'll drive this time.
Yeah, don't knock your knee on the light switch or the horn switch on accident.
Oh no, it's high enough.
It's high enough?
It's not
Okay.
gonna happen.
Okay.
As long as I don't let anyone over 6'5" drive this car, it shouldn't happen.
I wonder if Peter's home. No, Peter's not gonna be home. Yeah, he's supposed to the cliffs. Otherwise, I'd say we should go to Peter's neighborhood and fucking give it a chooch. You do realize as soon as you honk it, we're gonna have to honk it like 4 more times tonight.
Oh yeah.
Why? Oh yeah.
Because it's gonna be fucking.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yes.
Okay, how should we do the window situation? Just a tiny bit cracked?
God, that would have been a good opportunity to just hit it.
Oh yeah, this guy right here just walking past.
Poor guy.
Jesus Christ, he would have fucking.
He had a drink.
He would have had a seizure, dude. The dude would have had a seizure. And it's true. It's like August was saying. It's like there's literally a bomb under here.
Potentially.
Potentially, yes.
It is a compressed air tank, but I'm not worried about that. It's 150 psi. That's like nothing.
Yeah, true.
I mean, to me that sounds like a lot, but I don't know.
That's like that's like 5 times what my car puts out in boost. Less than that.
You can get a tire up to almost 100 psi before they explode most of the time. Holy fuck, yes, please.
Soccer field it is? Alright. Well, so far it's running and it hasn't blown up the ECU, so that's always a bonus. Or anything electronic
Sounds a little
whatsoever.
louder than... Well, okay, that actually makes sense because there's less stuff in the trunk.
No trunk carpet in the back
Yeah,
right now.
there's zero trunk stuff whatsoever in the back, so it totally makes sense. It's
Listen to
louder.
that, though.
Sounds good. Nice.
It is, that's the
button's
point.
just a little secret. We can't, I mean, they don't want me to show it, but...
It's like wearing a butt plug in public.
Okay.
Interesting analogy.
I know, right? I mean, if that's first-hand experience and you find that works for you, then you go ahead, but...
Hopefully, wearing a butt plug in public doesn't make you two like this does.
Program so far at Shoreline is
Oh, yeah.
a train horn in the Diesel 3 series. this is my summer internship right here.
Oh my god.
Unpaid? No, just kidding.
It took fucking all day. Plus we did stuff the other day too, like running around.
Yeah,
for
on
like 5 hours
Saturday.
the other day.
These guys put so much time into doing this, it's insane.
It's
and
RP'd
too much
me
money.
So much.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if it works.
Uh-huh. Oh! Holy smokes!
That's great.
Oh my gosh, dude! This is
Do you think I pull over with this and the compressor's like going off? You literally have to let the car run until the compressor stops.
Yeah, pretty much.
Like this evening, until we get the ignition stuff fixed.
Oh my gosh, dude! That's ridiculous. That startled me. I was like bracing for it, and
The windows aren't even there. The windows are cracked.
The windows, yeah. Keep in mind they were like down to here. Now they're all the way down. But
Let me get my
where's the
stuff out
police
too.
station at?
I don't know. It's back there somewhere.
Oh, so we passed it already?
Yeah, there was a sign.
Okay. All right, whenever you're ready.
All right.
Give her a choose.
Oh, Jesus! That's so loud! Holy, that scared me again. I was bracing for it, and it scared me again. That's dumb. Oh my gosh, dude.
Can you tune in other people on the road?
Not yet.
We need to find a good opportunity.
Yeah. Hold on. See if we can spot anyone outside.
I mean, there's no one immediately.
There's a biker over here.
Oh, you
There
don't?
we go.
Oh, dude, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Dang it, you didn't.
People jump so fucking fast.
I jumped again.
Oh no. No.
Oh yeah, should we get him? Oh god. Then this is the construction. No, we can't do it to the construction.
No, I'm not.
No. That's too mean, dude.
I would have fucking ripped it, not gonna lie.
Oh my gosh.
I love his hat.
No, that hat is insane.
I want to ask, but
What? Where you got the hat?
no. I want to ask if he wants to hear something loud.
Nah. I want to ask him where he got that hat.
Oh, there goes the compressor.
Like nothing ever happened. This is the United back there. I don't think I got it on film, but
I bet your landlord heard that.
oh, I'm sure he heard that. That was a nice little toot. You see, the nice thing about this is that no one would ever suspect that this is the car doing all of the stuff that we've just been doing. It's just the E90 335D, okay? And then you go into here. It's insanity. It's absolute insanity. Alrighty, now we're going for a little drive from the outside. I'm in the Lexus, the daily driver that doesn't get any recognition actually. This is a 2003 Lexus, but right now that's beside the point. But we're gonna see how this sounds from the outside. This is gonna be another ridiculous clip right here. Holy Jesus, that guy flinched so badly. Oh boy, here we go. This kid. This freaking kid. See if he does anything under the underpass or not. Oh yeah, he definitely will. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. This is really scary. Oh boy. 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. Oh no, I'm gonna go deaf. The window's all the way down. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Ow! Okay, that hurt. First tunnel, it didn't hurt my ears. That one hurt. That was windows all the way down. Ow! Oh my gosh. We've created a monster, dude. The Challenger right there. Yup, he did it. Oh my gosh. He just stopped right in his tracks. He's like, what the heck is going on? Well, that's a wrap, guys. That was one heck of a drive. My ears are still plugged from that. There's the dirty girl right there that's been committing all these crimes. That was ridiculous. That last tunnel was, my ears are plugged.
Yes, that was incredibly loud.
These old girls did their job very nicely. Just like that, our temporary little switch. Flip it off so it doesn't kill the battery. But this is just kind of a janky little setup right now. This is just temporary, but as I've already said, but when it looks like that, but it sounds like that, it doesn't really matter. It's just perfect. You already closed it, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, it's off.
Just like that.